Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can change face on Android mobile phone using Face Changer application. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to show you the application we're going to use to change face. So today we're going to use the Face Lab application. You can get this application from Play Store. You just need to go to the Play Store and then search for the Face Lab application. This one, you can download and install this application on your Android mobile phone. And after you have installed this application, you can open up this application on your phone. And we're going to start using this application to change our face. Okay, wait guys. Alright, and here as you can see, we'll have some features. We have Face Studio, Hair Studio, Reshape, Start Wet Photo, and we can also create aging video using this feature. And I'm going to show you how we can use the Face Studio first. Okay, you can choose the photo you want to edit. I'm going to select photo from my gallery album. Wait guys. Okay, I'm going to select this one for example. Okay, and we'll be able to change the face using all the features right here. We can change it to old face and then change the gender as well. And we'll be able to change it to cartoon photo. It's up to you. You can choose the feature that you need. And for example, I'm going to turn this girl's face into an old face. I'm going to select old face. Okay, and this is how it looks. You'll be able to change it to cartoon as well. Okay, like this. And the second one, I'm going to show you how we can change the hair color. You can go to the hair color studio if you want to change the hair color. But here you'll be able to change the hair as well. For example, you want to make it become wavy hair. Well, here we can change the hair color, guys. We don't need to go to the hair studio, but we can change it right here. I'm going to change the hair color to red. Okay, like this. This is the result. And if you want to save the result, you can click on save and the photo will be saved to your device. That's so easy, right? Okay guys, and that's all the way to change face on Android mobile phone using the Face Changer app. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.